I did a self-inquiry course in India a few years ago, and really powerful thing to inquire within as to who am I and all that kind of stuff. And this particular course had a name for what is the most important thing in our existence, but something we always forget about, and that is nothing. Empty space. As the Taoists used to say, it's the hole in the wheel that makes the wheel useful, it's the space in between the walls that makes a room. We know that reality is 99.99999% empty space, don't we? Don't we? And when we look at the universe and obviously all the amazing, beautiful things, the stars and the planets and the comets and the galaxies, we're always thinking about the content of the universe, but we always seem to forget about the context, because the universe is 99.9999% nothing. And it's kind of, there's an inner mirror to that, which is that in our inner world, we tend to be obsessed by the content, our feelings, emotions, thoughts, ideas, beliefs, memories, and tend to completely forget about the context, the one who is aware of all of that stuff. So I wanted to write a poem bigging up context, the thing we always forget when we're so obsessed with content. And I named it after the phrase they use to describe it. There's no real name for it, but you know what I mean, don't you? Yeah. The thing that's beyond, beneath, underneath, around, everything else. Yeah. So their name for it was the Indestructible Matrix of Pure Space, which I find a hilarious name for something that can't be named. And and we'll just add a bit of audience participation. So if when you hear me say that, if you do the pure space with me, there's a little gap, we'll just try it now. The Indestructible Matrix of Pure Space. Perfect, okay. See, I man just been relaxing in the indestructible matrix of pure space. It have a very nice taste, like coming face to face with grace. Not over here or over there, but all over the place. So I man can make haste slowly. And the sense of aloneness don't make me feel lonely, because I'm an identity totally phony. Holy moly, there is no me, there is only the indestructible matrix of pure space. It's a strangely familiar place, let's face it. The entire human race is based in it. Bumbleclot if we're not wasting it. What a waste of space. Fancy ignoring the very space that contains us. It's outrageous. And in the case of human evolution, might even be dangerous. There's just too much focus on what might be facing us, and not enough focus on the instantaneous, indestructible matrix of pure space. Analogous to timeless, infinitely spacious awareness, flawless, peerless, fearless, but nothing special in all fairness. Just this unobstructed effortlessness with which we're all blessed. Just rest. How much effort does it take to be aware you're awake? Think carefully before you answer, because the quality of your life is at stake. The indestructible matrix of pure space is closer to you than you are, yet extends beyond the farthest galaxy's farthest star. It coordinates your neurochemistry and it services your car. It is existentially impossible for anything to be on a par. The mental and physical universes support it like a breast supports a bra. And its only philosophical postulate is la 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 la. The indestructible matrix of pure space. Safe